Hey everyone, it's Sanjay. Today we're diving deep into a topic that I know a lot of you struggle with: hair loss. It can be incredibly frustrating to see more strands on your brush than usual, or notice your hair thinning. But before you despair, I want to assure you that there are solutions. In this video, we're going to explore the common culprits behind hair loss, and I'm going to share a secret weapon for hair growth that you probably haven't heard of before. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to fuller, healthier hair, keep watching. So let's start by addressing the elephant in the room: hormones. Our hormones play a huge role in hair growth, and fluctuations can really throw things out of whack. For instance, many women experience hair shedding during pregnancy, postpartum, and menopause due to the dramatic drop in estrogen levels. Similarly, thyroid imbalances can also wreak havoc on your hair. Hypothyroidism, a condition where your thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones, is a common culprit behind hair loss. This is because thyroid hormones are essential for regulating metabolism and cell growth, including in your hair follicles. If you're experiencing other symptoms like irregular periods, weight changes, fatigue, or mood swings alongside hair loss, it's definitely worth getting your hormone levels checked by a doctor. Addressing any underlying hormonal imbalances is crucial for restoring hair growth. So don't hesitate to seek professional help if you suspect hormones might be the root cause of your hair woes. Now let's move on to another major player in the hair loss game: stress. And I'm not just talking about the everyday stress of deadlines or traffic jams. When your body experiences a traumatic event like surgery, a major illness, the death of a loved one, or even extreme burnout, it goes into survival mode. In this state, your body prioritizes essential functions to keep you alive. And guess what gets put on the back burner? Hair growth. This type of stress-induced hair loss is known as telogen effluvium. It typically occurs a few months after the stressful event, and you might notice more hair than usual coming out in clumps when you wash or brush it. The good news is that telogen effluvium is usually temporary. However, chronic stress can keep your body in a constant state of alert, which can prolong the hair loss. That's why managing stress through techniques like exercise, meditation, or therapy is crucial, not just for your overall well-being but also for the health of your hair. Let's talk about the building blocks of healthy hair nutrients. Just like our bodies need a balanced diet to thrive, so does our hair. Certain nutrients are especially crucial for supporting optimal hair growth. Iron, biotin, zinc, and vitamin D are key. Ensure a balanced diet rich in these nutrients. Consider supplements if needed. Now let's shift our focus to the foundation of healthy hair: the scalp. A healthy scalp is crucial for optimal hair growth. Think of your scalp as the soil in which your hair grows. If the soil is unhealthy, your plants won't thrive, right? Product buildup can clog hair follicles. Wash regularly with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Exfoliate your scalp to remove buildup. A healthy scalp sets the stage for healthy hair growth. Let's be honest, we all love experimenting with different hairstyles. But did you know that some of our styling habits could be sabotaging our hair growth goals? Certain hairstyling practices and products can actually damage our hair, leading to breakage and thinning. One of the biggest culprits is heat styling. Using heat tools like hair dryers, straighteners, and curling irons regularly can weaken the hair shaft, making it more prone to breakage. Similarly, tight hairstyles like ponytails, braids, and buns can also put stress on the hair follicles, leading to a type of hair loss called traction alopecia. And let's not forget about chemical treatments like perms, relaxers, and color treatments. These treatments use harsh chemicals that can strip the hair of its natural oils and damage the hair shaft, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. If you must use heat tools, always apply a heat protectant spray beforehand and use the lowest heat setting possible. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, the secret weapon for hair growth. Drumroll please, pumpkin seed oil. Yes, you heard that right. This unassuming oil is a powerhouse of nutrients for your hair. It's a potent DHT blocker, rich in zinc and vitamin E. Apply it directly to your scalp or add to shampoo. So there you have it. A deep dive into the common causes of hair loss and a natural solution that might just change your hair game. Remember, everyone's hair loss journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you're struggling with hair loss, I encourage you to consult with a dermatologist or trichologist to determine the underlying cause and discuss the best treatment options for you. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.